Mom, look.
Are you eating an ice cream cone, dude? Is that good?
He seems to like it.
Oh, absolutely.
So a big ice storm is headed for the southern part of the United States and a big part of America over the next few days. Here in the south, we're not prepared for ice. We can handle the mud. We can get ourselves out of a bind if we had to, but ice is not our cup of tea, so we are preparing ourselves to be at home for the next few days with some firewood, some good food, and hopefully we keep our power. Job.
We couldn't say
Are you cooking legs? Because Tyson absolutely demolished them.
Oh no.
What are you doing?
It was a heart shot though.
I mean, what are you cooking?
Did you kill you a deer? Smoked him, heart shot?
Next time, what me and Tyson.
What'd you say? What am I wet?
What are you cooking?